To keep working, your car or bike needs a certain amount of fuel in the tank, right? Well, your bank account needs something called as average monthly balance. It's the average amount you're supposed to maintain in your account every month. Average monthly balance is calculated by adding up your daily closing balances for the month and dividing the total by the number of days. And don't worry, your balance doesn't have to stay the same daily. It can go up and down as long as the average stays above the limit. Maintaining it helps you to avoid any deductions from your account. The required average monthly balance varies with account type and location. For instance, in an HDFC Bank savings max account, it's 25,000 rupees. So, always maintain your average monthly balance and check it now using HDFC Bank's online average monthly balance calculator.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.